Hi traders, welcome back to Forex Master. Our previous videos we have learned a basic of Forex market, and now it's time to practice what we've learned. To practice, you need to open a Forex demo account. Our today's video is how to set up or open a demo account on MT4. A demo account is extremely important for new traders in the Forex market. It's a great way for beginners to practice what they have learned and to apply to practice and improve your skills to the chart. Most brokers will allow you or offer you to open a demo account to practice for free and perfect your skills until you are ready to apply the real account. The good thing about demo or practice account is you can trade as you like, because the money that you are trading with is not real money. That means the real practice without real money. To create a demo account, all you need to do is simply download the MetaTrader 4, known as MT4 platform, from your chosen broker. Make sure the broker is very reliable and suits your needs. If you don't have any broker in mind, I'm going to leave you a link to follow at the bottom of the description below of this video. Also, you need to have an email account set up for your Forex trading on the demo account. And if you don't have already one set up, how to set up an email account, I'm gonna leave you a link, another link, which is very good video outlining how to set up an email account via Google Mail. Now let's create a demo account on MT4. Now I'm going to show you how to create or open a Forex demo account. But first, you need to have an email address. If you don't have one, no worries, I'm going to leave you a link at the bottom of this video. Then you click that link and then follow it. And then it's going to take you where to open an email address and how. After that, you need to download MetaTrader 4, known as MT4. MT4 is a platform. This platform is free to download from any broker. If you have a broker in mind, then you go to their site and download MT4. Or if you don't have a broker in mind, no worries, I'm going to leave a link to follow at the bottom of this video. Then you go to that site and then download MT4 platform. As you can see, once you download, you will see similar to this that we have in the front of your screen. Then once you see this, you go on the left hand side, File, you come down to Open an Account. Once you say Open an Account, then is already highlighted. You need this practice account, Promise Global Practice. Then you click Next. Then you will see here, select an account type. open an account, select account type, you're not existing, new demo account. Make sure that it's ticked new demo account. Then next. Then put your name, first name and surname. Say, for example, Kevin. Mo. Email address. Man at gmail.com. You put your phone number, country code first, country code, let me get this, yeah, 44, then the number, let's get the number first, yeah, and say 11111111. Account type, you say ECN. Deposit is, let's say, 5,000 will be fine. And 1 to 500. Leverage, 1 to 500. I agree, tick I agree. Then next. Once you say next, then as you can see here, you got login number, that's login details, password and investor password. So you write it down or take a screenshot if you want. Take a screenshot, and then what you need to do is click finish. That's it. Bling. That means
incoming mail.
Incoming mail. That's correct. So that means you have a demo account now. So that's it, really. Simple as that.